Samsung Electronics' full earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2014 is out. It did better than the quarter before, but for the whole of 2014, it posted its weakest report in 3 years. And investors did not like this news, sending its shares lower by more than 1% today. Our Song Ji-sun has the details.
Samsung Electronics has rebounded from its earnings shock in the third quarter of last year, but it's still underperforming compared to the previous year. Samsung's operating profit for the fourth quarter stood at $4.9 billion, up 30% from the previous quarter. That still marks a 36% on-year decrease, but the drop was slower than in the third quarter as Samsung's chip business reported strong sales at a 4-year high. Memory chips have become Samsung's biggest profit driver in the third quarter, overtaking handsets, and now account for more than half of the company's profit at $2.5 billion. Samsung's final Q4 figures come just days after its rival Apple announced a record net income of $18 billion for the same period, nearly 4 times higher than that of Samsung's. Profit for the mobile division plummeted to just $1.8 billion from 2013's $5 billion. And data from Strategy Analytics show that Samsung and Apple each sold 74.5 million units of smartphones in the last quarter. That's a 46% jump for Apple, but a 15% drop for Samsung in the sector, with Apple's large-screen iPhone 6 models in direct competition with the Korean tech giant. Samsung vowed to reinforce its high-end lineup with premium models, at the same time expanding its share in the low-end market by launching its mid-priced A3 and A5 models in the global market. Analysts forecast a modest recovery for the company this year on the back of demand for its memory chips and processors from its rival smartphone makers. Samsung also followed other Korean firms in committing to paying higher dividends to its shareholders by raising the amount by nearly 40% from a year earlier to $18 per share. Song Ji-sun, Arirang News.